A short story to be shared. One day, a young boy was cycling with a basket full of eggs on it. Unfortunately, he came across an unseen bump on the road and lost his balance. He fell alongside the cycle while the eggs he was carrying fell and broke. A crowd gathered around the poor boy while he slowly tried to collect whatever remained from the salvage. Free advice and taunts started flowing from the crowd of onlookers as usual. "You should have been careful. What were you thinking while riding your cycle?" An older man emerged from the crowd, looked at what had happened, and with a concerned look on his face, he said, "Poor little fellow! What will he answer to the owner of the eggs? How will this ordinary boy pay for the cost of all these broken eggs? I will help him as much as I can." The man then handed over $10 to the boy and said, "The people in this part of the town are very good people. They will not only give you good advice, but they will also help you by giving money so that you can pay your master for the loss you may have caused due to the accident." Having heard what the older man said and observed his action, the crowd gave money to the boy. The young boy was delighted, since the money collected from the group was over the worth of his broken eggs. The boy thanked the crowd for their help and generosity, and while he was preparing to leave, a man from the crowd came and patted the boy's shoulder and said, "Young man, you should be thankful to that older man. If he wasn't around, I do not know what difficulties you would have faced with your owner." The boy looked at the man and said, "Sir, I will thank him when I reach the shop. He is the owner of the shop where I work." Moral of the story: clever minds will find ways in the hardship instead of getting frustrated when life throws obstacles.